the beauty they bring. I know you like the hair up for that African look, but you know how to sell them right. You're gonna need tutorials, yeah, to know how to sell them right. You're gonna need tutorials, yeah. I've been thinking of searching on YouTube, get some knowledge, thinking of searching on YouTube, yeah. You get the beauty tutorials from there. Adela Gentima, you get the beauty tutorials from there. Adela Gentima, you get the beauty tutorials from there. Adela Gentima, you get the beauty tutorials from there. Adela Gentima, Adela Gentima, yeah. Adela Gentima, oh. Everyone wants to look so nice, especially the makeup be on point. We talking of face beauty, some nice makeup. We talking of head beauty, some nice headwrap. We talking of hair beauty, some nice hair wrap. I've been thinking of searching on YouTube, get some knowledge, thinking of searching on YouTube, yeah. You get the beauty tutorials from there. Adela Gentima, you get the beauty tutorials from there. Adela Gentima, you get the beauty tutorials from there. Adela Gentima, you get the beauty tutorials from there. Adela Gentima, Adela Gentima, yeah. Adela Gentima, oh. Adela Gentima will answer your beauty questions. Adela Gentima will answer your beauty question. Adela Gentima will answer your beauty questions. Adela Gentima will answer your beauty questions. You get the beauty tutorials from there. Adela Gentima, you get the beauty tutorials from there. Adela Gentima, you get the beauty tutorials from there. Adela Gentima, you get the beauty tutorials from there. Adela Gentima, Adela Gentima, yeah. Adela Gentima, oh. I know you like the headwraps for the beauty they bring. I know you like the hair up for that African look, but you know how to sell them right. You're gonna need tutorials, yeah, to know how to sell them right. You're gonna need tutorials, yeah. I've been thinking of searching on YouTube, get some knowledge, thinking of searching on YouTube, yeah. You get the beauty tutorials from there. Adela Gentima, you get the beauty tutorials from there. Adela Gentima, you get the beauty tutorials from there. Adela Gentima, you get the beauty tutorials from there. Adela Gentima, Adela Gentima, yeah. Adela Gentima, oh. Everyone wants to look so nice, especially the makeup be on point. We talking of face beauty, some nice makeup. We talking of head beauty, some nice headwrap. We talking of hair beauty, some nice hair wrap. I've been thinking of searching on YouTube, get some knowledge, thinking of searching on YouTube, yeah. You get the beauty tutorials from there. Adela Gentima, you get the beauty tutorials from there. Adela Gentima, you get the beauty tutorials from there. Adela Gentima, you get the beauty tutorials from there. Adela Gentima, Adela Gentima, yeah. Adela Gentima, oh. Adela Gentima will answer your beauty questions. Adelaide team will answer your beauty question. Adelaide team will answer your beauty questions. Adelaide team will answer your beauty questions. You get a beauty tutorials from there. Adelaide team, you get a beauty tutorials from there. Adelaide team, you get a beauty tutorials from there. Adelaide team, you get a beauty tutorials from there. Adelaide team, Adelaide team, yeah. Adelaide team, oh. I know you like the headwraps for the beauty they bring. I know you like the hair wrap for that African look, but you know how to say them right. You gotta need tutorials, yeah, to know how to say them right. You gotta need tutorials, yeah. I've been thinking of searching on YouTube, get some knowledge, thinking of searching on YouTube, yeah. You get a beauty tutorials from there. Adelaide team, you get a beauty tutorials from there. Adelaide team, you get a beauty tutorials from there. Adelaide team, you get a beauty tutorials from there. Adelaide team, Adelaide team, yeah. Adelaide team, oh. Everyone wants to look so nice, especially the makeup be on point. We talking of face beauty, some nice makeup. We talking of head beauty, some nice head wrap. We talking of hair beauty, some nice hair wrap. I've been thinking of searching on YouTube, get some knowledge, thinking of searching on YouTube, yeah. You get a beauty tutorials from there. Adelaide team, you get a beauty tutorials from there. Adelaide team, you get a beauty tutorials from there. Adelaide team, you get a beauty tutorials from there. Adelaide team, Adelaide team, yeah. Adelaide team, oh. Adelaide team will answer your beauty questions. Adelaide team will answer your beauty question. Adelaide team will answer your beauty questions. Adelaide team will answer your beauty questions. You get a beauty tutorials from there. Adelaide team, you get a beauty tutorials from there. Adelaide team, you get a beauty tutorials from there. Adelaide team, you get a beauty tutorials from there. Adelaide team, Adelaide team, yeah. Adelaide team, oh. I know you like the headwraps for the beauty they bring. I know you like the hair wrap for that African look, but you know how to say them right. You gotta need tutorials, yeah, to know how to say them right. You gotta need tutorials, yeah. I've been thinking of searching on YouTube, get some knowledge, thinking of searching on YouTube, yeah. You get a beauty tutorials from there. Adelaide team, you get a beauty tutorials from there. Adelaide team, you get a beauty tutorials from there. Adelaide team, you get to look so nice, especially the makeup be on point. We talking of face beauty, some nice makeup. We talking of head beauty, some nice headwrap. We talking of hair beauty, some nice headwrap. I've been thinking of searching the YouTube, get some knowledge, thinking it up. Searching on YouTube, yeah. You get a beauty tutorials from there. Adelaide team, you get a beauty tutorials from there. Adelaide team, you get a beauty tutorials from there. Adelaide team, you get a beauty tutorials from there. Adelaide team, Adelaide team, yeah. Adelaide team, oh. Adelaide team will answer your beauty questions. Adelaide team will answer your beauty question. Adelaide team will answer your beauty questions. Adelaide team will answer your beauty questions. Yeah. You get a beauty tutorials from there. Adelaide team, you get a beauty tutorials from there. Adelaide team, you get a beauty tutorials from there. Adelaide team, you get a beauty tutorials from there. Adelaide team, Adelaide team, yeah. Adelaide team, oh. I know you like the headwraps for the beauty they bring. I know you like the hair up for that African look, but you know how to say them right. You're gonna need tutorials. You have to know how to say them right. You're gonna need tutorials. Yeah, I've been thinking